Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two popular freelance platforms, Fiverr and PeoplePerHour. If you're a freelancer looking for your next gig or a client searching for talent, this video will help you understand the differences and decide which platform suits you best. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is known for its gig-based system, where freelancers offer specific services at set prices starting at $5. It's easy to get started, and you can find freelancers for almost anything, from graphic design and writing to digital marketing and video editing. Fiverr is ideal if you're looking for a quick, straightforward way to offer or buy services. The platform also provides tools for order management, messaging, and secure payments. On the other hand, PeoplePerHour focuses more on hourly work and project-based contracts. Freelancers submit proposals for posted projects, and clients choose who they want to hire. PeoplePerHour is great if you prefer custom work, ongoing projects, or more flexibility in pricing, especially for larger or more complex tasks. When it comes to fees, Fiverr charges a 20% service fee on every transaction, while PeoplePerHour has a tiered fee structure that can be slightly lower for bigger projects. The choice of platform may depend on the type of work you do and how you want to manage payments. In terms of community and opportunities, Fiverr has a larger global user base, which means more potential clients, but also more competition. PeoplePerHour has a smaller but more niche audience, which can be better if you want clients looking for specialized or higher quality services. So, which one should you choose? If you're starting out and want quick gigs with easy setup, Fiverr is a great choice. If you're looking for custom projects, longer term contracts, or more control over proposals, PeoplePerHour might be better. Many freelancers even use both platforms to maximize opportunities. In short, both Fiverr and PeoplePerHour have their strengths. It comes down to your work style, the type of clients you want, and whether you prefer gig-based or project-based freelancing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow freelancers, and subscribe for more tips on succeeding online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.